Join us for an intimate event with Vision Crystal on Saturday, May 23rd at 3 p.m. WMNF's biggest fans can get up close and personal with one of Tampa Bay's most eclectic bands. Vision Crystal blends bluegrass, blues, folk, and Americana for a special time under the Live Oaks in Seminole Heights, Tampa. This limited capacity house concert benefits your community radio station, WMNF. Enjoy refreshments and a one-of-a-kind listening experience with WMNF fans just like you. For tickets and more information, go to WMNF.org/events.
Support for WMNF comes from listeners like you and Ruth Eckerd Hall, presenting the Clearwater Smooth Jazz Jam, returning to Ruth Eckerd Hall for the 4th annual two-night jazz and R&B event of the summer, starring David Benoit, Norman Brown, Boney James, and more. On Saturday, May 30th and Sunday, May 31st at 7 p.m. More info at rutheckerdhall.com.
And this is WMNF Tampa. It's time for the live music showcase. I'm Ed Lehman, and I'm in the studio today with Cosmic Jenkins, and we're going to have a funky good time tonight or today. So let's just jump right into it.
Hello, WMNF. We are Cosmic Jenkins. That's short for The Cosmic Jenkins, and this is It's 8 a.m. Somewhere.
give it to me. Don't wanna sleep, I wanna be free. Hey, I wanna feel like I'm made of steel. Some drink about my morning night. It's 8 a.m., we'll keep it real. Drink it till the morning I wanna feel like I'm made of
Cosmic Jenkins right here on WMNF's live music showcase. Just tearing it up. That sounded so great, guys. Excellent.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And so fun to have you. You guys are just so full of energy and this kind of funky, fun feel. And we're just really happy to have you here. I'll just ask Justin real quick. Originally, your band name was Guava Train.
It was Guava Train.
Okay.
And then we changed it because we essentially got a cease and desist from a more prominent band. They're awesome. And we got some pestering from the fans, so we knew we had to change it. So we thought, what is the funkiest, coolest name ever that nobody is going to copy? And we came up with Cosmic Jenkins. It's a place, it's a vibe, it's a good time. It's also a band based in Safety Harbor.
It's also short for the Cosmic
It's also
Jenkins.
short for the
It's
Cosmic
short for the
Jenkins.
Cosmic Jenkins, in case anybody is confused.
Which is short for the Cosmic Jenkins Band.
That's right,
Right,
that's
yeah.
right. And that's COSMIC.
Name keeps getting longer.
JENKINS.
If you can find us easily on Google, then we're doing something.
Yeah,
right.
the SEO is easy. There's nothing
right.
else that comes up for Cosmic Jenkins.
Nobody's going to mix
at
us
all.
up.
So,
And we got a flute in the band for crying out loud.
Yeah, I like that. So is there any meaning to the name Cosmic Jenkins?
Well, it's
or-
what happens when you combine a saxophone, a flute, and some ripping electric guitar, funky bass, the synth, and drums.
We didn't have a choice. It named itself.
Oh,
Webster
okay.
says they're going to put it in the dictionary.
I was all about
I
Old
believe
Man
I believe it
Jenkins.
because I read it on the internet.
Scooby-Doo reference for me.
Old Man Jenkins,
yeah.
the
Well-
founder of Publix. He happens to be Jenkins too. There's a city.
Yeah.
Nice. It's,
Nick
sometimes.
Jenkins, you're Jenkins.
We're all Jenkins.
Leroy's Jenkins.
Wow. Okay. No.
Leroy is Jenkins,
For-
obviously.
The Cosmic Gumbo.
Well,
That's it.
well, sometimes the universe reaches out and just tells you this is what it is.
That's right.
So what it is some funky fun time this afternoon here on Live Music Showcase. How about jumping into another song?
Absolutely. So happy to be here, Ed. This is a blues song called "Want You So Bad." to be the side of you and me, side smoking sense and love. I can't get enough of you. Yeah, you. Oh, 'cause I want you back, baby. I said I want you, oh, so bad, and I need you in my life, like a woman needs a good time. You know you're driving me mad. You're so beautiful, you shine out the sun, yeah. And your lips are as pink as a cherry blossom. Let me tell you one more time. I said I want you back, baby. I want you, oh, so bad, and I need you in my life. I can show you a good time. You know you're driving me, this fire inside of me. You know you're driving me mad. Whoa, whoa.
The amazing sounds of Cosmic Jenkins right here in the WMNF Live Music Studio. And you guys are tearing it up this afternoon. It's sounding great. So the other thing I want to remark that, in watching y'all as we got ready and did sound check, you guys all have so much fun together.
Yes, we do.
We do.
Yes, sir.
And
That's
that
true.
and that really shows up in your performance, that you're having a great time, and that's projecting to the audience, and I'm having a great time, and I know the listeners are having a great
That
time
was
too.
most important to me.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Yeah.
And can you imagine it in a band where you didn't get along and you didn't have fun?
Oh, we've been
Oh,
there.
that happens.
Oh, that happens? Oh, okay. You want to
Why do you think we like each other so much?
We got all the bad stuff out.
We
We're
fight
fine.
all the time.
Yeah, little confessional time. This started as kind of a project between my best friend Matt Tartaglia and I to get free beer at the breweries and play guitar and get paid for it. And it turned into a really nice adventure. We had Jody join us, one of my close friends, Cody Unix, and Kyle Seriani jumped in, Tim Adger, of course. So it's it's a good time as well as making music. I love hanging with these guys,
Excellent.
my brothers and sisters.
I oftentimes say that I don't do it for the money. I do it for fun.
We love playing music and we love writing music.
I would do it for free for the rest of my life.
Oh, you
Wow. You were saying something there. All right, so let's let's jump into another tune. Before you do, I just might want to mention too that if you're listening on the radio, you can also see what's going online on Facebook and YouTube. Watch it live, which will be a real treat. So, take it away.
All right. What's this song called, Jody?
This song is called Nimbus. Of course.
Jenkins live here in the live music studio, and if you're not having as much fun as I am, then I don't know what to say, but we're having a great time
Probably
this
the radio's
afternoon.
muted. That's what it's got to be.
I don't have it on.
Yeah, that must be. And I have to mention that part of our show is what we call AMA, which is Ask the Musicians Anything. So if you want to ask Cosmic Jenkins anything, you can send an email to dj@wmnf.org, and we'll ask the band. And we kind of like weird questions, so the weirder the better.
We do too.
We're here for it.
Before you ask your question, just remember what the name of the band is. And then ask yourself, are we going to be weirded out by this question?
The answer will be no.
The answer will be no.
We will win.
We'll always win.
All right, well, let's have another tune.
This next song is called Sky Eyes. It's our newest song.
Underneath that Spanish tile roof that night, the stars were burning and the moon was glowing bright, but they could not outshine your brown eyes. Dance with you must be paradise. Sail away, yeah, we sail away to an ocean dream with the winds of love. Saw the starry skies above. Lovely seas will meet us eventually, but with you I can sail through a hurricane. The storm will take our love away, yeah. 'Cause without you, what would I do? I'll probably be a stray castaway into the waves. I'll never be the same. Never knew that I could love someone as much as I love you. I love you like you do. Like you do. Like you do, baby. Now 10 years have somehow passed, so let's take it slower, babe. Sail the longest path. Where you go, I will never know, but I'll follow you anywhere. Our crazy love will get us there. 'Cause without you, what would I be? A captain lost at sea, without a map to bring me back. Your starry skies light my way. Another day, another page. I'll write the book of life with you. I love you like you do. do. I'll probably be a stray castaway into the waves. I'll never be the same. Never knew that I could love someone as much as I love you. I love you like you do. Yeah, 'cause without you, what would I be? A captain lost at sea, without a map to bring me back. The starry skies light my way. Another day, another page. I'll write the book of life with you. I love you like you do.
Live here in the WMNF Live Music Studios, and just sounding so good this afternoon. We're so happy that y'all are here with us, and I'm having a good time because I've got the best seat in the house. So lucky me. I did want to ask Justin and Matt, you both work on composing the songs for this group, is what I understand. So tell us a little bit about your process, how you work together, and what comes out of that.
In the beginning, Justin brought like 80% of a song to me, and I'd be like, this is missing something intricate, this is missing some articulate hits, but he would come with like a full poem. So we were like, okay, great, we can work with this. We have all these lyrics, we just got to get some intricate hits in there. I came in, added some of that. I wrote a song, he writes a song, Jody writes a song. We kind of just go back and forth and pass it around. The key is being brutally honest.
Mm-hmm.
That's right.
That's the key, is not being afraid to tell your friends when something doesn't
Letting go
sound
of your
good.
ego. It's all about the sound. If it sounds
Really,
good, we're good to go.
That's why me and Kyle and Tim aren't allowed to write songs.
Oh, totally not true. Totally,
Kidding.
No, but that's a very good question.
We just
and,
don't listen to them.
A lot of it comes from improvisation, just getting inspired. And I like to joke that sometimes I bring the cupcake, but then they put all the sprinkles and the icing on it and make it really, really good. Because Matt is kind of like the Lennon to my McCartney, if I'm going to put myself in that stage. Because Matt and I don't get a whole lot of time together, but when we get down to business, we really write a lot. And Jody's written some lyrics too, and we get input from the whole band. We're a non-judgmental band, and we just try to groove it and have fun and make good music and have fun with each other.
And as I said, I've got the best seat in the house, and I'm definitely having fun. So do you have a new album coming out anytime soon? Are you working on one?
We actually just today released a original song on our YouTube page, a live video of Nimbus. That was the song before the last one. We do have another song called Blame that we'll be playing later that we'll be releasing in Spotify in about a month or two. We're on the finishing touches.
Yay.
Recorded. So piece by piece, we're going to get the album together. It might take 10 years, 2 songs at a time, but it's going to be a double length. Yeah.
Some of us are still surprised that we're still doing it. And then every year something else comes around, like a new bigger gig or like this, for example. And every time that happens, we're like, oh man, we got to take it seriously. We got to buy that next piece of gear. We got to learn how to chart music. We got to do that. And I'm glad for that. I'm very happy for that.
It pushes us.
It pushes us, and I'm glad that we're not just doing this in my little cubicle in Dunedin anymore for beer at Soggy Bottoms, and now we're doing this for people on the radio. It's amazing.
So let's jump right into another tune.
All right.
What's our next song, guys?
I think we're going to do the Darkest of All the
Darkest
Days.
Days.
Oh, snap. This is called Darkest Days. All right, count us off, Tim.
This one's a mover, so if you want to dance along, dance with us.
Won't you say what you need to me and follow your darkest streams? Don't give up now. Sharpen the souls you found. 'Cause even in the darkest days, you won't fall back, won't give away. Won't you say what you need? And I will follow your lead. Where you go, I will be. To the north, to the It's easier said than done when you're the one who's on the run. Just a few days back in yesteryear, the fighting fell so far from here. But don't give up now. You're fighting for your home. 'Cause even in the darkest days, yeah, you won't fall back, won't give away. No, 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 won't you say what you need? I will follow your lead. Where you go, I will be. To the north, to the east.
ain't got no soul. So don't give up now, no. You're fighting for your home. Even in the darkest days, yeah. You won't fall back, won't give away. No, 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 won't you say what you need? I will follow. Where you go, I will do that. Won't you say what you need?
This is the WMNF Live Music Showcase. Cosmic Jenkins in the house, having a grand, funky, fun time this afternoon. We're so delighted that you're here. And we do have our first AMA question. So let's see what this is. This is from Amanda.
Tim's got this one. Go ahead, Tim.
And she says, "Hi, Cosmic Jenkins. What inspired you to write Island by the Bay other than Tampa Bay? And I love you guys."
Exactly that.
Amanda, we love you too, and that is a great question. So Island by the Bay is a song about two lovers who are on the run, and they're just trying to get away to this place they know called the Island by the Bay. But the real meaning behind it is that they're actually on the run from work and their daily responsibilities. And they are trying to find an island by the bay where they can hang out and get away from everybody.
Maybe Caladesi?
Maybe Caladesi, that's right.
That's a great place to chill out.
It is.
Yeah, no way. And
Hey, Jason.
we got one more, and I'm not sure what to think about this one. I think it's some kind of like a broad philosophical question.
That's the best.
All right.
Oh, yeah. That's the
But-
best.
I'm here for it.
So let me see. Where is it? Okay, so this is from... no, it doesn't say who's from. But anyway, the question is, Cosmic Jenkins, who do you think you are?
Who do we think we are?
Who do you think you are? I am.
I don't know.
I think Kyle should answer this
That's
one.
a Kyle one, yeah, for sure.
Oh. Kyle, who do we think we are?
No
we think we
cursing,
are?
no cursing, no cursing.
Oh, then I can't answer this.
Yeah, never mind.
Justin, who do we think we are?
We're a good time. We're your best friend, a good vibe, a funky band from Safety Harbor called Cosmic Jenkins.
That sounds good.
And we don't play Sweet Caroline unless
We
you-
don't.
Whoa, never
That
mind.
is an automatic denial from
Well,
the band.
And that's who we think we are.
And free bird unless you tip $100. That's
We will play free bird per
Strike
$100.
two.
Right?
Oh, I mean, we don't. Never mind. We don't pay for money.
But no Neil Diamond at all. I mean, I know he's not.
Oh, we'll do Neil Diamond.
Okay,
Yeah.
just
It's
not
just
that
kind of
song.
it's just kind of an inside joke with that song.
Oh,
For
God.
you, Ed, we would do anything.
Yeah.
That is true.
Well, what I want you to do is play another tune. So
All right,
right
we can
into
do
it.
that.
All right, here we go.
The song is called Ember.
Timmy Tim. 1, 2, 3, snare. All right, here we go.
My fire, my ruby red Alexa days, oh timber, how you balling? Now light me up and fill my place. The way you grew to be, you shone a world to turn of the year. So won't you move with me, ramming in the flames? As I suddenly sleep, lighting up from hungry when these cosmic yellow flames. Keep the engines
Cosmic Jenkins live here in the live music studio here in WMNF. And this show is going by too fast, which one means I'm really enjoying it. And what, number two means you're doing a great job. So.
Thank you so much.
A show like this, though, we need to give credit where credit is due, is made possible by a dedicated group of volunteers, including sound mixer Magic Mark Perfetti.
Thank you, Mark.
Thank you, Mark.
Magic Mark.
And equally magic audio assistant Pam Robinson. Lisa Reuter is our video director for today. And on cameras, we have Alexis Thompson, Sage Botelli, and Phoenix Page. And our board op today is Charlie Cushings. And thanks to all of them, we were able to bring you this show. And I want to remind you that you can still send a message to us if you have a question for the band. We'll be happily reading it to them and letting them respond. A couple of notes on Facebook that, let's see, Stephanie says, you all sound great. We have a note from Doug. He says, nice. Love to hear something fresh.
I like that. Do we do negative comments on this show at all, or are we just moving on?
Yeah, roasts.
Yeah,
you got any roasts for us? All right, I'll take a roast.
So far, no roast, and that's all good.
Don't say that because you're going to bring it up.
It's going to be a nice roast. I mean toast.
It was worth it to make Kyle laugh. It's okay.
So I might also mention, if you're watching on Facebook or YouTube, this show ends at 3:01, but we will continue if we time this all perfectly, which we will. And you'll have bonus content because we'll continue to go on a little bit past the hour on our live stream. So check that out as well. So let's jump right in for another.
This next song is called Blame.
It's time for me to say that this shit is through. 'Cause I'm tired of all the fighting. I'm so sick of all your rules. I'm tired of all the world thinking that you're playing me so smooth. I know she said she's sorry now, but I don't feel okay. She's gonna make the tide move and we'll all just drift away. Tells me things are different now, but why do I feel this way? It's 'cause everything has changed and I'm to blame. What a shame, what a shame. And now I feel so much lighter, 'cause your chains are off of me. You held me down for so damn long, I forgot how to be free. You wasted my time and you messed with my mind. Now you're down on your knees, begging, darling, please, trying to apologize. I know she said she's sorry now, but I don't feel okay. She's gonna make the tide move and we'll all just drift away. She tells me things are different now. Why do I feel this way? It's 'cause everything has changed. What a shame, yeah. Whoa now,
Cosmic Jenkins live here on Live Music Studio. You guys are just sounding so good. The hour's almost up. We've got about 10 more minutes to go. So I know on your list you've got one more song, but we'll probably need another maybe improvisational thing after that.
Yeah. I don't know if we can do that.
I don't know if we can
He's
do
winking.
that.
You can't see
I don't know if we have any more music.
I'm winking, guys.
So a couple more questions I had for you, and I guess for Kyle and Justin, you're also in another band, I understand. Something to do with whiskers.
That's right. And for the radio viewers, you cannot see this man's impressive mustache.
Well,
it is the handlebars.
It's straight from Timu, honestly.
I was going to say, it's Dolly Timu. Right?
Let's hear about
Dolly Timu.
You mean
But yeah.
Timu Dolly?
Yeah, that's Mr. Whiskers and the Nine Lives. I run a 15-plus piece funk ensemble.
Talking
here
about
in
herding
Tampa Bay.
cats.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a lot. That's like an orchestra.
It's a funk orchestra.
It
A
is.
forchestra, if you will.
Yeah, it's almost all original music or covers that Kyle and the band puts their own spin on, and there's a lot of horns, and it's a really good time. And check us out too. We're brother sister bands to Cosmic Jenkins, Mr. Whiskers, and the Nine Lives. They're an amazing group too. And Kyle is a polyglot on the instruments, and he plays every instrument fluently, and that's why we've got him on the synth, sometimes on the drums. He's the man. He's the man.
He is the man.
How about Renaissance man? I like that. Polyglot sounds like something icky. So
I know what they say,
polyglot.
though. Jack of all trades.
There you go.
None.
A master
I'm just
of
kidding, I'm just
none is
kidding.
still better than a master of one.
That's a good point. That's a good point.
So where can folks go to see what your schedule for this band and the Whiskers band as well?
You can go on our Facebook page. We also put our schedule on Instagram periodically, and that's the two best places to find us. Or you can just reach out to me directly at Justin Rice Musica.
That sounds great. So we're
Whiskers, the shows are posted where, Kyle?
On all social media platforms, be it Instagram, Facebook, anywhere you go. Mr. Whiskers and the Nine Lives. You can find it fairly easy.
Sounds good.
Both bands have great branding. Easy to search.
We're not getting sued again.
Well,
Wait,
not yet.
First? Again.
Again. Well, this is news to me.
This will be my third one.
So we have, it looks like 6-7 minutes to go before we're off air and NPR News comes up.
Awesome.
And we want to continue past that so that viewers on Facebook and YouTube can get bonus content, because we love bonus content. Yeah. So would it work better for you guys to do one song and then another, or can you take us through that?
This song is 6.5 minutes, right, so this is a 6.5 minute song. This is our first single we released that you can find on all music streaming platforms, called Island by the Bay.
Oh, I've been there.
So it'd probably work better if we play through this song and then do some bonus footage for the ultra fans. All right.
Perfect.
On the radio, they're coming for us now. So we're gonna outrun the setting sun. Whoa, on the run and in love. I know an island by the bay where we can hide for 7 days. They won't see our face while we dance the night away. We're gonna boogie, we're gonna kick it, we're gonna groove it all night long. Gotta get away, this
place I know when nobody gonna do us wrong.
Let's get there.
They won't ever stop us. No way, no how. They won't ever find us with all the love we found. No time to back our bags,
'Cause we're on our way.
we're on our way.
Cruise up on a hidden beach. Finally made it to the Keys. Put the boat in the water, let's go. Yeah, baby, we're gonna cruise through the moonlight, 'cause the ocean is our road. We're on an island by the bay, never gonna leave this place. Left without a trace, now we dance every single day. We're gonna boogie, we're gonna kick it, we're gonna groove it all night long. Gotta get away to the place I know where nobody can do us wrong.
Let's get there.
You won't ever stop us. No way, no how. You won't ever find us with all the love we found. No time to back our bags, 'cause we're on our way. I'm on an island by the bay, never gonna leave this place. Left without a trace, now we dance every single day. We're gonna boogie, we're gonna kick it, we're gonna groove it all night long. Gotta get away to this place I know where nobody can do us wrong.
This is WMNF Tampa.